Hey y'all, it's Amy again with Bargain Mama. Excuse me, my throat felt just fine until I started videoing. So, cheers, my morning coffee, to I am over 300. I am so ecstatic. Like, I woke up this morning and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm at 300. Like, I was so excited. I can't even believe it. So, I am coming on today to talk about the giveaway. So if you watched my previous video that said giveaway, that's obviously what I'm giving away. And so what I'm going to do is we are going to, so today, what is today? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I am going to do it. I need to stop trying to turn my steering wheel. I'm going to do it until Friday. So Friday is October 30th. So that's, excuse me, it's going to end on Friday. So on Saturday, the 31st, which is Halloween, my oldest son, who picked the name last time, will pick a name again. And I'm actually going to see if I can figure out how to do it on the YouTube. I've seen people where they do this, like, I don't know, like YouTube picks it for you. So if you watch this video, put hashtag 300 for 300. I mean, I know that sounds silly, like, Amy, we know what 300 is, but I mean, people might write it out. I don't know. So anyways, hashtag 300. And then I'm going to try to figure out how to do it on there. But if not, then I'll just have my son pick a name again. It was just, okay, so I'm a little bit lazy. It was kind of a lot to have to write the names down. But anyways, I could not be any more excited. So yes, if you saw the previous giveaway, that's what will be included. So we will have 2 winners. And I am so excited. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys. And so I don't know, like, where I can share this to and stuff. So I'm going to have to try to figure it out. Because the only places I know are like haul sites to share them to. So I don't know how to just put it on. Like, I know how to just put it on YouTube, but I don't know how to, like, let everyone see it. So if you have any suggestions and you know how to do that, please tell me. Because the only sites I know how to do are, like, the haul sites. And I know that if it's just a giveaway, I'm sorry, I just watched somebody throw their trash down, like, a grate in the road. Excuse me. But yes, so if you know how to do that, or if there's any other sites I can share it on so that it goes to YouTube, I guess, go to more places on YouTube. I don't know. I guess it just goes on YouTube. I don't know. Anyways, I think I shared on Facebook, on the haul sites on Facebook, and then it goes to more people. Anyways, I don't know. 300 subscribers. I'm still figuring this thing out, guys. Anyways, look at the Dollar Tree headband I got. So these were out a little while ago. Woo! Look at the grays. Don't look at that part. So it is, like Decade Day at Work, but since I'm doing like the 80s kind of theme on Friday because we're gonna all be a band, I decided to do like a 60s kind of theme. So if you looked at my my not profile, oh my gosh, Amy, what is happening today? This is just, please don't tell me this is how today's gonna go. But if you look at my picture, I guess, for the video, I don't know. So that's my full costume, and those are the jeans that I got for $3.50, you guys, the baby fat jeans. And let me tell you, I am like 5'9". To find jeans that fit me in length. So after I bought them, I was like, oh my gosh, I bet these jeans are going to be high waters and I'm going to look ridiculous. So I'm in my mind, I'm thinking of all these different ways I can change it so that I don't look like I'm waiting for a flood. No, guys, they reached the floor. So apparently back then, people tripped over their jeans because I'm very tall for a girl. But I was very excited that they fit so that, you know, because nobody's trying to wait for a flood, and how embarrassing. And so yeah, so anyways, I'm just gonna, that's all I wanted to say is thank you so much. I'm so excited. And yeah, so I will, like I said, hashtag 300 and it will close on Friday, and we will pick a winner on Saturday, so that, and I will pick it Saturday morning so that I can make it to the mailbox or the post office before they close, so that it will be mailed out by November 1st. Does not mean that you'll get it November 1st, but so then I can start my November fresh, because I do have several giveaways in November that I need to do. One holiday one, and then I have a couple other little giveaways that I want to do. So I think I have a total of like 4 giveaways for November. But yeah, so I will get them mailed out on Saturday, and I hope everyone is having an amazing week. And yeah, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.